In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Docusign envelope ID in just 5 minutes. Docusign is the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and being able to find your envelope ID quickly and easily can be crucial for managing your documents efficiently. So let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted by Docusign's homepage. Docusign is renowned for providing the most effective tools in digital transaction management, so you're in good hands. Next, look for the login button. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Log in using your authorized email and password. If you're using a shared or public computer, make sure you select the Remember Me option cautiously to maintain your account's security. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Docusign homepage. This page serves as a central hub, allowing you quick access to all of your agreements and documents. You can find this by either clicking directly on the Docusign logo at the top left or selecting Home from the navigation menu if available. After reaching the homepage, you'll need to click on Agreements. This option will be visible in the sidebar or as part of the main navigation menu. Selecting agreements will take you to a list of all your current documents, allowing you to manage them efficiently. Now it's time to select a specific document. Scroll through the list of your existing agreements and choose the one whose envelope ID you wish to check. Once you've found the document, click on it. This action will open up more detailed information about the document itself. Finally, look for the envelope ID within the detailed view of the document. The envelope ID is a unique identifier assigned to the document by Docusign, making it easy to track and reference specific agreements. Click on the envelope ID option to view it fully. Once you have accessed it, you might want to take note of it or copy it for your records or future reference. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to find the Docusign envelope ID for any of your documents. Whether you're retrieving this ID for tracking purposes, sharing it with a colleague, or conducting an audit, you now know exactly where to find it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful guides and tutorials.